Everyone says that macOS just works. Well, that's a lie. I've been using macOS for over 5 years and honestly, it's a frustrating mess. So here's everything I hate about macOS, ranked from a little annoying to absolute deal breaker, and the exact way how to fix them. Number 1 is Apple Intelligence is just awful. I can't even show you because I have it turned off completely. So I just show you the fix. Download the ChatGPT app onto your Mac, and when you press a certain keyboard shortcut, this little window pops up on the bottom of your screen where you can easily chat with ChatGPT. But that's not even the coolest part. You can click this little app symbol down here to work with apps that are on your Mac. Can Apple Intelligence do that? I don't think so. Number 2 is that you can't game on macOS, even though Apple wants you to believe that. And to be honest, I have no fix for you. I mean, you could play chess, but just buy a Windows computer. Number 3 is Liquid Glass and this redesign in general. It just pushed macOS further to iPadOS and iOS, and I personally don't like that. For example, the Windows got more rounded. I mean, yeah, it looks nice, but it steals space. Or look at this monstrosity of a button. I don't touch my Mac, I use a mouse. Buttons don't need to be 3 centimeters big. I don't really have a fix for you. You could downgrade to macOS Sequoia, but I wouldn't recommend that. The only thing I can show you is the setting where you can turn down Liquid Glass. Now, number 4, the integrated window manager, if you can call it that. Look at that shit. When I drag a window to the edge of my screen, everything as normal, I can let it go and it resizes. But why does that take so long? Who needs that animation? And who came up with the idea that tiled windows have margins? That doesn't make sense at all. My fix is to use a window manager like Magnet, or I use the window manager that's integrated with Raycast. I know the next thing is kinda niche, but I'll still want to show that. I really want to have a split screen mode in Finder, so I could just drag a folder to the side and the window would split. But that doesn't work. I just have tabs, but I don't like them. I'm on Windows now, scary place here, but I can right click in the File Explorer and create a new folder or new file. But here on macOS, nothing. Well, except for creating folders, but that's a basic. And my fix for that is the app iBoysoft magic menu. So I can right click and create new files in various different file types. I'm back on Windows and still in the File Explorer. We all know that we can copy and paste a file. That's pretty basic stuff. But here in Windows we can also cut and paste a file. So I can select all these files and hit Ctrl X, go to a different location and hit Ctrl V. All the files are there, but when I go to the previous location, they're gone. And that simple feature does not exist on macOS. So right here I have this very important .txt file, but when I hit Command X, nothing happens. To fix that, just install the app Command X, and when I hit Command X now and go to the new location, hit Command V, it's there in the new location, but gone in the old location. Exactly what we wanted. Now, before we talk about my top 5 things I hate about macOS, I want you to send me your computer's desktop. And when this channel hits 1000 subscribers, I'll make a video where I rank all of them. So hit the first link in the description and make sure to subscribe. Now, back to the video. As you can see, I have a lot of windows open, and 3 of them are from the same application. But when I hit Command Tab, only applications show up, not the windows. So this application has 3 windows open, but I can only switch to one of them. That's pretty annoying, I know, but you can easily fix that with the app Alt Tab. So I just open it, and now when I hit Command Tab, this nice overview opens, which even supports multiple windows of the same app. This is me doing some very important work. But you notice something odd here? The dock. Look at how much space it takes up. Apple, how big do you think my monitor is? So here's my fix really quick. Right click at the dock and turn hiding on. Let's say I want to uninstall this app. Normally you would just right click and then click move to trash. But when you uninstall an app that way, some files of the app will stay on your system. Instead, do it with an app called Peer Cleaner. So I just search the app in Peer Cleaner and it finds some other files and folders that the app created that wouldn't be uninstalled with the app otherwise. This is the system settings app in the current version of macOS. And this was the system settings in macOS Monterey and before. And since I updated from macOS Monterey to whatever came next, I couldn't find anything in the system settings app. So please Apple, please give me that old app back. And the last thing, there's no customization possible. Every Mac looks the same. And the only fix I know to that is to install Asahi Linux on your Mac. Asahi is the only Linux distribution that actually runs on Apple Silicon hardware, and we can really customize it. To find out more about Asahi, click on this video right here. And otherwise, comment what you hate about macOS.